Hi there, I'm Tomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success, where I help you to learn guitar and more importantly, to love the guitar learning journey. Today, we're going to cover the main lick to Mission Impossible. Let's get started. First, we'll get the notes and then we'll add that rhythm. So first of all, third finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret, that's the low E string. Now over to the A string, that's the 5th string, 1st fret. I use my 1st finger here, and 3rd finger on the 3rd fret. So we've got this. Just that much. Now the next part of the phrase goes down to the 1st fret on the 6th string, then up to the 2nd fret, I'm using my 2nd finger, and then 3rd fret. So we've got this much. And then it starts over. Let's try the rhythm now. The rhythm sounds like this without the notes. Bum, 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 bum. Try that with me. Just tap your guitar, don't worry. It's all part of the process. Here we go. Ready, hit it. Bum, 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 bum. Hey, that's not bad. Now, let's try it with the notes, nice and slow. I know you might need to practice them for a little while to get it just right. Here we go, starting the 3rd finger. So it's bum, bum, 1st finger, 3rd finger, back to 3rd finger, down to the 1st finger, up 1 fret, and then start over. 1st finger, 3rd, back to 3rd, 1st, and again, 3rd. Now I'll do it a little bit even so you can practice along with me. Here we go. Ready, start. That's the main lick. If you want to add the power chords, they look like this. Now that's exact same rhythm, only I'm using power chords. That's 1st finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, 5th finger on the 5th fret, 5th string. That's a mouthful. And that's all. I'm only hitting those 2 strings. So same rhythm. Now up to the 6th fret, and then up to the 8th fret, and back down to the 1st fret, up 1 fret, and start over. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this, please leave me a comment, let me know, and let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see me make a video on. Remember, learning guitar is a journey, not a destination. Let me know any way I can help you to better love your guitar playing journey. Bye for now.